hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe.
Alright guys, so welcome to the channel. What we're doing today is a little photo shoot. And we're doing it through downtown Bakersfield. And yeah, it's going well so far. Haven't got hit by any cars, but we've had some close calls. This ain't easy for sure, so I just wanted to show you guys how it's done. We got the Jeep right here on the left, in front, and as you can see, got some photos going. I'll say that one, Chester will probably be better. Yeah. Okay. 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 I'm sorry? We're doing a photo shoot.
Yeah, but are you gonna park?
For a minute, yeah.
Okay, you can't hang out here.
We're not hanging out, we're just taking pictures. Yeah. Oh, we can't take a picture even if we're parked? Okay. Okay. Alright, I gotta tell them. They won't let us take pictures.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
On our way down, stay to the side of us on the inside. So you're on this side going down. I'm just gonna take photos.
Okay.
Just see everything. 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 She said we're all made in Hollywood. Fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe.
Was that sketchy driving? Was it sketchy driving? Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. 4 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay.
Good for you.
Yeah.
So this plan, we'll go there as they're pulling out planes.
Mm.
We'll take a few photos, taxiing alongside them. I'll take off with them and meet you in Formosa, and that's where I'll see if the other riders come in. He's going to meet us out at Formosa, and then we'll take photos of driving fast, and then the plane's going to come down beside you. And it depends on the weather, so we're waiting to see if the thunderstorms come tomorrow or not.
All right, dude.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, see you then.
All right, bye.
Sorry.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little test run, but tomorrow is definitely the big day. All right, guys, so we are officially here at the airport here in Shafter, California, to do a little photo shoot with some big airplanes. Open sesame.